class we solved based on electricity chapter 1 problem. So second problem. So this is your question. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a tester of resistance 50 ohm and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. Then what is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all three appliances? So what is the current through it? So first in this we have to write what are the given datas. So first one. So the given R1 is equal to 100 ohm. So this is the ohm symbol. Next R2 is equal to 50 ohm. Then R3 is equal to 500 ohm. Then what we have to calculate? Equivalent resistance, that is Rp. Why I wrote here P? Because the resistance are connected in parallel. So equivalent resistance which are connected in parallel we have to calculate. So I will write as a question mark. So we have to find this one Rp. Then again they ask what is the value of electric current. So as well as in the electric iron we have to find out, and finally total resistance which are connected in all three circuit in this circuit. So you already know that what is the formula of Rp. So what is the formula? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in this formula you have to substitute the values of R1, R2 and R3. So 1 by R1. So what is the R1 here? 100 ohm plus 1 divided by R2 is 50 ohm plus 1 divided by R3 is 500 ohm. So now we have to find out what is the LCM. So what is the LCM here? So 500 is the LCM. Then how to calculate? First term 1 by R is equal to 1 divided by 100. So 1 divided by 100. So 1 divided by 500 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, see here. I took total R1, R2 and R3 term. So 1 divided by R1 is 1 divided by 100. So for this we have to multiply by 500. So here 0 0 get cancelled. So what remains here? 1 into 5. 5 ones are 5 plus. So next term is 1 by R2. How much? 1 divided by 50. For this you have to multiply by 500. So here 0 0 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 10. So 10 into 1 10. 10 ones are 10 plus. Next term 1 divided by R3. That is 1 by 500 into 500. So 500 500 get cancelled. So 1 into 1 1. So 5 plus 10 plus 1. How much? 16 divided by 500. So this is the value of 1 divided by Rp. So I will take Rp. So you have to take reciprocal, then it will become 500 divided by 16. Now this term you have to cancel, you have to do. I will take 2 ones are 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains. So 1 0 5, 2 5s are 10, 0 remains as it is. So Rp is equal to 250 divided by 8. So again 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. So Rp is equal to 125 divided by 4. Again if you did cancel means you are getting decimal digit no need. So Rp is equal to 125 divided by 4. So in this problem first step we find out that we found that Rp is equal to what is the value? 125 divided by 4. Now we have to calculate what is the value of I. See here. We know that Rp value 125 divided by 4. Now we have to calculate what is the value of by R. So V here voltage that is given by 220 volt. So R we calculated, that is 125 divided by 4. So I will take this 4 here. So 220 divided by 125 into 4. Using the 5 on the table, you have to cancel, you have to do. So 5 2s are here, 10, 2 remains. So 2 5 25, 5 5s are 25. So 5 4s are 20, 2 remains, again 0, 20, 5 4s are 20. So 44 divided by 25 is there. So again 5 1s are 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. 4 remains. So 4 it is not going, you have to take one decimal point. Then it will become 40. Again 5 8s are 40. So here what is the remaining? 8.8 divided by 5 into 4. So what is the remaining? That here I am writing 8.8 into 4 into 5. So when you multiply 4 by 8.8, so you are getting 35.2. So in denominator what is there? 5. So as it is I am writing. So you have to divide 35.2 by using 5. 5 7s are 35. So remainder 0 0 and decimal point as it is. So that decimal point also you have to put here. So 2 it is not going. I will put 1 0. Then it will become 20. 5 4s are 20. So what is the remainder? 0. And the answer you are getting 7.04. So this is the value of electric current. So I is equal to 7.04 ampere. So this is the current which is passing in electric iron. Now you have to calculate what is the resistance of electric iron. So formula R equal to V by I. So V is equal to 220 and divided by 7.04. So cancel you have to do. So here you have to remove decimal point, means after decimal point how many digit is there? 0 or 2 digit is there. So I will write as a 100. You have to remove decimal point, means you have to count after decimal point how many digits are there. For example 3 is there, means you have to write 1000. So 1 is there, means 10. So here 2 digits are there, I will write as a 100. So you can remove decimal point. Then 220 divided by 704. Using Q on the table you have to do cancel. 2 3s are 6, 1 remains 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again up 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is. Again 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 50, 2 7s are 50, 1 remains. So here 2 7s are 40, 1 remains. So total 12. 2 6s are 12. And here 2 5s are 10, 1 remains. So 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. So here 55 divided by 88 is there. So in 11 ones it is going. So 11 8s are 88, 11 5s are 55. So what is the remaining? You have to write. So 5 into 50 divided by 8. When you multiply 5 into 50, you are getting 250 and divided by 8. So 250 you have to divide by using 8. So 8 divided by 250. 2 3s are 24. So 1 remains and 0 as it is. 8 1s are 8. So what is the remainder here? 2. So 2 it is less than 8. So you have to take decimal point. It will become 0. 20. 8 2s are 60. So what is the remaining? 4. So decimal point already is there. So 1 0 take, it will become 40. 8 5s are 40. So remainder you are getting as a 0 0 and answer 31.25. So this is the resistance of electric iron, that is R is equal to 31.25. So while writing answer compulsory you have to mention unit, that is resistance unit is ohm. Okay, next problem. See what is the highest, the lowest total resistance that can be secured by combinations of 4 coils of resistance, that is 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. So here, so first one, what you have to calculate? The resistance which you are getting as a highest value. So when you are getting highest value, when the resistance are connected in series. So first one, highest value you have to find out when the resistance are connected in series. So what is the formula? What is the formula? R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. 4 resistance is there, take down R4. 4 also. Then substitute values. Rs is equal to Rs nothing but series, the resistance which are connected in series. R1 4 ohm is there, 4, R2 8 plus R3 12 plus R4 24. Then Rs equal to 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 24 48. So what is the value of, what is the SI unit of resistance? That is ohm. So when the resistance are connected in series, we are getting as the highest value, that is Rs is equal to 48 ohm. Then second one, what you have to find out, the lowest value, lowest total value, that is when the resistance are connected in parallel. So what is the formula parallel resistance? That is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. So substitute values, 1 divided by 1 by R4. 4 resistance are there. 1 by R1. R1 nothing but 4 plus 1 divided by R2 8. 1 divided by R3. R3 value is 12 plus 1 divided by R4. R4 value is 24. Then we have to find out LCM. So what you are getting LCM? So here see, downside you are all or even number. So all or even number means which is a big number, that only we are considering as the LCM, that is 24. So here 24 is the LCM. So take down terms, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 24. That is 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3, 1 by R4. So multiply by LCM factor, that is 24. 24. 24. 4 ones are 4, 6. 1 into 6, 6. Plus. So here 8 ones are 8, 3 are 3 into 1, 3. Plus. 12 ones are 12, 2 are 2 into 1, 2. Plus. 24 ones are 24 ones are 1 into 1, 1. So 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, divided by 24. This is the value of 1 by R3. So here cancel to this one. 12 ones are 12, 2s are. So 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by 2. Then R3 value is equal to 2 ohm. So this is the lowest value when the resistance are connected in parallel. Okay, next problem. Compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. So we have to calculate how much heat generated. So what is the given? Write down. So charge the given, that is Q is equal to 96,000 coulomb. Then so 1 hour. So time will be given, that is 1 hour. So that is equal to, for 1 hour 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So total 3600 seconds. Then potential difference be given, that is V is equal to 50 volt. Then you have to calculate how much heat generated. So heat generated is equal to the work done. So work done nothing but V into Q. So H is equal to V into Q. Substitute value. What is the value of V? What is the value of Q? Then we can get how much heat is generated. So V value 50 into Q value is 96,000. Okay. So here 0 is there, means leave that zeros. First take down this is there. 5 6 is 30, 3 carry. 5 9 is 45, 45 plus 5, 45 plus 3, 46, 47, 48. So how many zeros remains? Here see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So heat generated is equal to this much. Then you can write in a short form, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 digit I will put decimal point, that is 4.8 into 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power of 6. So what is the value? What is the SI unit of heat? That is joule. So 4.8 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. This much heat is generated. Okay, see next problem. An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. So this problem is based on the Joule's law. Now write down what are the given data. That is R is equal to 20 ohm. Then ampere, so nothing but current. So I is equal to 5 ampere. Time be given, that is seconds. 30 seconds. What you have to calculate? How much heat generated. So H is equal to watt. So according to Joule's law, you already know the formula, that is H is equal to I square into R into T. Substitute values. So I square nothing but 5 square. 5 square into R. R value 20 ohm into T value is 30 seconds. So 5 5 is 25 into 20 into 30. So 25 as it is, I put 2 3 is 6. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So 600 into 25 we have to do. So H is equal to 25 into 600. 6 5 is 30, 3 carry. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. How many zeros remains here? 2 zeros. So H is equal to 15,000. So again we can write that is H is equal to 15. So 3 zeros I write as a kilo K. So here K represents 1000 values K. 15 kilo joules. So this is the SI unit of heat generated. So H is equal to 15 kilo joules. Okay, let's see next problem. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. So write down what are the given data. So current be given, that is I is equal to 5 ampere. Voltage be given, V is equal to 220 volt. Then time be given, that is T is equal to 2 hours. You have to convert in terms of second. So 2 into 60 into 60. So equal to 6 6 is 36. 36 into 2. 36. So 36. 6 6 is 36. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So what remains here? 2 as it is. Multiply this by 2 6 is 12. 2 here and 1 carry. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. So how many zeros here? 2 zeros. So 7200 seconds. So we converted 2 hours in terms of the second. Now we have to calculate what is the power. So power formula is P equal to V into I. Substitute values. So what is the value of V? V be given, that is 220 volt into I. What is the value of I? 5. So multiply this one. What you are getting? 5 into 0, 0. 5 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1100 ampere. Sorry, 1000 ampere joules. So this is the power value. So finally we have to calculate how much energy is consumed. So energy consumed formula is given by, it is a product of power into time. That is E equal to T into time. So we found that T value is 1100 and T is 7200. Substitute values. So E is equal to E into T. T value 1100 into and T value 7200. So leave you at zeros. 11 2 is 22. 2 carry. 11 7 is 77. 77 plus 2 78. 79. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So we can apply this rule when we are getting more zeros. So 4 zeros. So this is the energy consumed. So again we can write in terms of short form, that is 7.9. Afterwards how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So this is the value of energy consumed.